Hi guys, I'm currently sitting on my floor about to start class. I only have one student in already. I don't know why I'm whispering because it might not on. But anyways, I have one student in. I was actually looking at the videos I actually need to edit. So Friday and Saturday videos seems it will be okay, and then Sunday I'm gonna add Sunday and Monday together. So yeah. But yes, I'm also like watching some videos over there. I'm not hear it yet at the moment, so I'm gonna probably stop it now since I have class. And then like watch the rest later because I have a ton of videos to like watch. So yeah, not ton, like 200 and add in the folder. Ugh, my face annoy me. Like my tongue lizard. Let me just leave it before it gets worse. So now the reason this happens is because I don't have a we didn't have any sunscreen, so this happened. Good morning. So yeah, I got one more student. I have 2 students in there at the moment. I'm just giving this some more time. So it's 9:34. We're supposed to actually start at 9:30, but they're late, so my face is just, it's not working. Anyways, I'm gonna drink some of my water. Anyways, I'm gonna drink some of this water and I'll see you guys when my class is done. Alright guys, so I'm finished with class. Yeah, I'm done with class. This is where me sit down today. I couldn't have turned on camera, so I just, I better turn on the camera and just sit down on the ground. I'm never in the mood. For a week, I'm not really in the mood to show my face. Where it's like on my face looks so. No! So that's where I sat, right there on the floor. Let's put that back. Let's go. Oh, guys. I know I actually took fun of them mango yesterday. I don't like that mango. That's the word. Mommy, which one of them mango you know too ripe? Which one not too ripe? No, you know me right, mango. Me no. It's you what's that for me? Say hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. I mean, it's I'm don't know people to come here. Come right here. I'm done with that. Me a seller.
You say hi, mommy. I say hi, mommy.
That's so terrible. Me a seller.
That's on purpose.
Me know. I say you're terrible.
I don't hear saying people right. The OLSBCTOR.
Good morning.
Okay, touch that word the name collector sure. Here. See what Auntie K touching. You see right already, right the O. We are up close and personal in my life.
I'm gonna show them a class.
You don't teach?
Yes.
Your face is true.
Can you say you'd like me to?
Shanik, I've never stressed me. I
just wanna give you the loving that you're missing, baby, just to wake up with you.
Seriously, you have vlog this?
People, first of all, let me apologize for having Shakay over here, but she has to. And Taylor, the non-official one. And Chad, the security guard, for having them over here, but I have to do ECC work. So
ECC is a wicked piece or something.
I mean, one thing is like 40 odd pages and I have 20 odd people in my class. So what do you expect people to tell me? What I expect if you do ECC, no one else sees. It really pisses me off. And right now, when I did all it's supposed to become get tired. So it's 2 words me I write. They can do it.
Just know that you don't.
And then my daughter is going crazy. She's getting mad. She's singing off her
Promise I'll never let you down. 'Cause I know I can treat you better than he can. She's hating.
I know, right?
No, we can still see the pretty clouds.
Yeah, actually, yeah, you're right. Because how you sit down. That's why.
Miss, I'll never let you down. 'Cause I know I can treat
You better than she can. Good morning, my lovelies. Hi.
A lot of cheese.
Nice. Hi guys. So this is
Good morning.
sister. Y'all should go subscribe to her channel. I want to cuss her that comments at the last video. Make sure she come make one next video here. I don't know why she's not up and make a next video. Anyways, she's making eggs. She Sheila. Wait. People went comfy in her comments. Her channel is Sassy Shan. So go ahead and head over there. Can't you for more?
No. Come to cut them outside part.
They're not ready.
Yeah,
They're not ready. No, they're not ready. True.
But I try and make the hotel egg, but it's not work.
Never hear the question. This group of people.
Me forcing my mother to watch my video. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
So this proverb was sweet, nanny good.
Just turn the thing.
Hi guys. So I'm at the supermarket. Actually. Guys, I'm shopping. Oh, should I do it for that? So right now in my car, I got some apples, frosted flakes, retard nothing, and some shirt. For now.
I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh.
Hi guys, so kinda totally forgot to like update you guys. Don't mind me more it blue because it's one blue ring pop thingy. So right, we went out as you guys saw. Went to Mapen with Tovi and Shan. So basically we got back like pretty much like a little bit after 4 because curfew on a Saturday is 4 o'clock, right? And we wanted to reach back by 4, so we kind of rushed through everything. But we've been home ever since like after 6 now. It's like 6:06, and we're just lying down. I change my clothes, lie down. I kind of want to sleep, but I don't want to go to sleep because if I go to sleep now, I'm not gonna be able to sleep later, which is gonna be terrible for me tomorrow. So I'm just trying to keep up, play some Sims, and I'll would. But sometimes I'll load, and also watch my vlogs. Yeah, sometimes I like to reminisce. Sometimes I'm watching like the bowling vlog from when we usually can't go bowling. Just looking at times when it was kind of much more fun, you know. But yeah, that's what's going on. Just wanted to update you guys that I'm back home and all of that. So I know I didn't vlog much today. I really didn't vlog much, and I should have showed you guys what things I got. I'm gonna show you guys later, I promise. I'll show you guys like the things that I got and so on. So yeah. Good morning. So yes guys, still burns actually. Oh well, my face look horrible. But yes guys, it is Sunday. Don't mind the radio in the background, it's so turn off. But hey guys, it's Sunday and pretty much I'm preparing for church. I already have on my clothes. I'm not changing this, I just bathe and put this on. That's what I have on today. So yeah, what am I doing today? I don't know, just church. So I won't be going to church because we'll be online. So I'm running the online thing from here. So yeah, this look like I have a patch on my head or something. But anyways, I how my hair look pretty, sweeten up and all. So yeah, let us go have some breakfast.
The widow woman there to sustain thee. So he arose and went to the behold, the widow woman was there again.
Guys, about her bottle unlike mine. Yes, drink it girl, drink it. Woot woot. Girls at church. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you guys like what I got yesterday. So the first thing I got, I'm gonna show you guys, is this pants. I'm not gonna try it on right now. I tried it on yesterday. It's a jogger, it's like a tie-dye pink, pretty something. The next clothing item I bought was this slippers. It's super cute. Yeah, so next thing I got some toothpick thingies. I really needed some of these, so I bought some. Should I buy the bigger pack? But anyways, I also bought this lotion. It's the mystical, what do you call it? Is this the Victoria's Secret thingy? I don't know, but it never there, the kind of cheap oil. And I bought the matching perfume for it, and it smells so good. It's called Mystical Wild One. I also bought this little perfume here. Focus. This little perfume here called La Bella Viva. Yeah, pretty nice. And then I'm gonna show you the last thing I bought. So that's it, I think. Yeah. Alright guys, so we bought, my sister wanted to buy one of these, the Magic Bullet. I think this is like the mini one, I'm not sure, but anyways, this is what we bought it for, 5,980. So yeah, we're gonna be unboxing this. So yeah, I always wanted one of these, just never buy one, don't know why, but anyways, we finally bought one. So yes, let us unbox this. Okay, so this is the, what do you call it, the bottom part of it, I'm guessing. It's heavier. Why is it so heavy? Why did I not expect this to be so heavy? Alright, I want to put this down somewhere. Alright, that's what that looks like. I'm not sure if that thing inside of it should come out, but anyways, I'm just gonna continue with this unboxing. So it comes with these cups. This tiny cup here. Oh, cute. Ooh, it comes with a taller one and with a thing on it. I think that's the blender part. I don't know. Comes with these things here. I'm gonna have to look like on the instructions and whatnot. Oh, these are covers. Okay, cool. So it comes with 3 covers. They come with an extra rim or something. Where's the rim for that one? Like, alright, so this is what it comes with. A stylus, a flat blade, comes with a cross blade. The flat blade is used for grinding and whipping. The other one is used for grinding, grating, and blending. Comes with the 3 covers. The base, a tall cup to mix, cook, and store the ingredients, microwave safe, and then 2 party mugs with 2 comfort lip rings. Yeah, so that's what it comes with. So those are the parts, you know. We want to try them, but you know, we have to wash all of these things first before we can try. But yeah, let's take a closer look. All right, so this is the part. So yes, this is the one of the blades, and the base is very heavy, not gonna lie. The base part, I'm wondering if this, but it says do not remove, right? But I don't know what my tax I'm gonna remove. What is it that I should not remove? This, the something in there, or I must eat because you know I can't come out. But anyways, this is the cross blade, and this is like the flat blade. I think I'm gonna be using that one more often. Them look flimsy though, yo. These just look like things off in my house alone. But yeah, these cups, I think they can also be used here. So yeah, put them on, and you would, you know, whatever. So push it down like that. So like when I put it down, put like that, and you know, and then I think that's how it works. But yeah, when we're using it for the first time, we're gonna figure it out, you know. So I'm assuming this works on this because it must work. Yes, man, it works. It works on it.
Daddy said.